Happy Monday, everybody. Hope everyone's having a great beginning of the week. I had to think about it for a second because with the holiday here in the States, depending on where you're watching it in the world. So let me get over some particulars, right? By the way. So I've been a trader going on 9 years. I've been making money for over 25 years, maybe longer. Sorry. But I've been with this trading group for almost 9 years. This is a group that I learned to trade. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you got comments or questions, there's all kinds of ways to see me depending on what platform you're seeing this video on. And I'd be happy to answer what questions I can't answer necessarily on here. So the title of this video is the 4-hour entry model in the Sniper Pro. So for those that are new to following me or have been following me for a while, the Sniper Pro is an amazing AI trading scanner that allows you to help with the trend on Forex indices. It even does stocks, metals, everything you can think of, anything with a chart, basically. So I wanted to show you a little bit basically what the 4-hour entry model is. Now, we have multiple entry models that we teach in our community, but the 4-hour is the most stress-free. So literally, you can check these pairs 10, 15 minutes in the morning, 10, 15 minutes in the evening. If you have other time, you can check in the middle of the day. It's a 4-hour stress-free where you're looking for a particular card. So this is the card you're looking for. So I just pulled up basically US 30, all right? Now, people sometimes say, oh my God, there's so much here. Not really, not for the 4-hour entry model, right? Some of the smaller time entry models, you have to kind of, confirm colors like this. It all matches, actually. This is like a beautiful move. But on the 4-hour, you're just coming in and checking the pairs and looking for this card, right? And it's kind of an arrow up. So blue for a buy, red for a sell. And in the morning, in the evening, or even 3 times a day, depending on your schedule, you can scroll all these pairs, right? I'm on indices at the moment, and you're looking for these cards. And if you got a card and you're on it's a 4-hour candle, right? Every candle's 4 hours. If you got a card, you take the trade. Now you have to wait for the candle to close, obviously, okay? But you take the trade, all right? And inside of our community, we'll teach you where to put your stop loss, right? It's really just below the low. And we'll teach you where to do your exit price, okay? And that's it. And then you forget about it. And then you come back later, oh, wow, oh, great. It hit my exit price, or no, it hit my stop loss. Folks, and again, let me be very clear. No income guarantees. You must come in on practice on a demo account. I am not a financial advisor, all right? I just help folks teach about the methods of trading the markets. And when I started 9 years ago, we didn't have these amazing tools with this platform. Well, we do now. And in fact, you get 9 different scanners. So we only focus on a couple, and this Sniper Pro is electric, okay? So just to give you a couple more parameters, right? So this is +7. Folks will ask, well, what does this 7 mean? So what that's telling you is that there's 7 different market indications that this is going to go up for a buy. And red on a sell. It can go up to like, I think 15, +15. But for the 4-hour, because it's a longer time frame and a higher probability on trend, we just look for the card. We look for this blue thing, okay? And you get in, you wait till the candle close, and you get in. And of course, you can see this one, right? So it would definitely have consolidated for a little bit, and you just walk away, okay? You can check later to see how the trade's doing, right? It's not on a 5-minute, 1 minute. And we have tons of folks that trade on the smaller time frames. They like that. They're in, they're out. But this is stress-free. You can go to your job. You can go to your events with your family or your kids if they play travel sports. All you're doing is take the card at the end of a candle. And as you can see where this one went, okay? So let me show you. And again, it is 7 o'clock my time. So normally I would check a little earlier, but I'm going to check right here with you. We may find some, we may not, all right? So we're going to go to some of these pairs, odd CAD, okay? So this is a sell, and this is an opportunity, all right? And here's the reason why this is still an opportunity, because the card is still showing, right? And price is still in this area. So yes, this would be one you would take once a candle closes. In fact, this is probably one you would enter right away, okay? Because there's several candles there. All right. And of course, we'll teach you where to take your exit price and where you put your stop losses, which is for the sell, it's above the low, right? So it'd be up here. All right. And so if you come on the charts in the morning or in the evening and you're on that first candle, then you must wait till the candle closes. But here, you just get it. All right. So that's odd CAD. Let's see AUDCHF. And again, you go through each pair, or maybe if you have some experience trading, that there's only certain pairs you want to trade. It's fine. All right. This is odd CHF, and this one is still in the zone. Yep. That's another one. All right. So there's actually some folks always ask me, well, Jeff, I mean, 4 hours, man, how many potential opportunities are there? A lot. Okay. There's more than you think. All right. So let's move to a different pair, AUD USD. And now there are definitely some that correlate, right? AUD pairs, USD pairs. Now, this is why it's really important, right? Not a financial advisor. You must use proper risk management. So if you take more than one on a card, like this is a beautiful one right here, boom. Okay. So this is an area that I would also get in. All right. Because this is a fairly new candle. However, what's really, really important is you have to make sure that you're splitting your risk between, for example, if you see more than one opportunity on AUD, okay? And then you literally go through each pair, all right? Let me take a couple, let me go down to GBP. I like GBP. Let's see if anything's popping, as they say, on GBP. All right, so this would not be one, right? So I'm glad I pulled this up, right? Here is a +5 card. And of course, this is already making its move. So this is one you would just skip. And you're asking, okay, Jeff, is it really that easy? The 4-hour entry model? Yes. You don't need to know what all this is here and all these arrows and the bands here. Now, for those that like the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 1 hour, we have a couple different entry models in the community, okay, that you can learn and that are not very hard. But again, always practice on a demo account, right? Especially if you have some sort of experience in trading, right? The lower time frames, we have an ATH pulse indicator that we developed, okay? And with that indicator, it's going to tell you, go to the Sniper Pro and see if all the colors match. This is on the smaller time frames, right? So for example, let's just say I got an ATH pulse indicator. So I come to the chart, I see a card, but all my pairs don't match. Well, I don't take the trade. That's on the smaller time frames, right? But on the 4-hour, right, you just have to be in the range of the candle. Now, this is clearly out of the range, okay? So you don't take that trade, all right? And let me scroll down a little bit more. Let's go to NZD. I had a nice win a couple weeks ago, and I don't trade NZD much. Just let me take a peek, see if there's anything sitting here. Close, but a little bit out of the zone, so I would probably stay away. See, there's candles here, right? It's already kind of making a move down, right? If it was still in here, right here, now if you woke up and it was still in this zone right here, then I would take it, right? But now it's kind of moved out of the area, so I wouldn't take it, all right? And then you literally go through all the Forex pairs or all the pairs that you like to trade, all right? How about commodities? All right, let's take a peek. And I like gold. I am a huge gold trader. And let's see what's cooking. All right. So this one would be a no. It's got a card, but it's already out of the area. All right. Now, a common question is, Jeff, what's our risk to reward? We'll teach you that when you get inside of our community as to what your risk to reward is. But you literally said it, forget it, go on with your day. Okay. That's it. Now, if you see this, it's about 5-6 hours left. We have a major discount to join our trading community. Send me a message and I will get you more information. And of course, now I have my son's dog who wants to play, so I need to get off this video. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. All the content, all the ways to reach me. If you want more information or more questions, just send me a message. All right. That's it for now. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.